Hello. So I have this big box for my Scentsy Club, and I'm gonna open it on live so you can be nosy and see what I get every 3 months. And then I also have something in here for somebody in our group that I'm going to pre-slice and package up and get mailed to him. So I get a Scentsy Club shipment every 3 months, and this is that order. Let me open it up. So packing slip, paper instead of plastic. Let's see. If you get on and you watch me live, say hi. If you watch it on replay, did you know that on live videos you can tap the screen and then go down to the bottom where the gear is, and you can watch this in 2 times the speed. So if I am a little slow talking, you can, you know, make it faster if you want. But okay, so this is what I got. I got a bunch of wax bars, the whisk box, and then this brick is for somebody in this group. So I got Cozy Kitchen. I've never smelled this one before, and I'm excited. Ooh, okay. That smells like literally like warm oats, like you're making like a streusel topping or a granola in your in your oven. This is what that Cozy Kitchen smells like, and I'm excited for that one. That one's gonna be good. So that's my first bar, and then I got a bar of hazelnut latte. I've had this one before. I really like it. It's a good performer. It smells like coffee, but like the best kind of coffee. So hazelnut latte, it's number 2. And then this is the new scent for November, the scent of the month, Meant to be Merry. I know this, you're not going to be able to read, but Meant to be Merry, it's a white colored wax, so I'm thinking when it melts, it'll be like a clear. It's supposed to smell like a buttermint, but let's see. Ooh, that's good. So you know how sometimes like peppermint smells can smell like toothpaste? This doesn't. It smells like those like green and white peppermints and like a buttermint and a cookie all together. I really like this. So I think I'm going to keep that in my club for months to come. And then another bar of Perk Me Up. I think we have like 3 right now, but I like to keep this on hand because I love coffee smell. Yeah, it's so good. So good. And then, let's see. I got Happy Birthday. This is my favorite scent ever. So there used to be a scent called Birthday Wishes. That was another cake scent, but it was different. It was more like vanilla cake, but this one's like a chocolate cake smell. And I think this is what I'm going to pop into my warmer. I think I'm going to do that now. It's a bright, pretty pink color. Let's see. I think I'm going to do 2 cubes into my Heart to Heart warmer. Gosh. So I think I'm going to do this warmer. Let me make sure I don't have any wax in there. Yeah, I cleaned it out. Okay. So that'll be warming all day, and then I'm dressed and ready to go to the gym. So after I get off live, me and my brother are going to go to the gym, and that'll be smelling good by the time I get back. So happy birthday. I love it. I love it. Because we don't have a scent like that in the catalog. It's so good. Okay, next up we have Watermelon Patch. It's a very pretty pink color. It smells like like, if you can make like a Jolly Rancher, the pink, like the watermelon Jolly Rancher, but if you can make it into like a gummy, like super, like juicy smelling, this is what that smells like. Watermelon Patch is where it's at, and this is retired. So far, only one of these is available for regular purchase. A lot of these are retired wax bars right now. And let's see, Vanilla Barnwood is currently available. I've already been through a whole bar of this because I adore it. It is so unique considering like the other Scentsy waxes. So Vanilla Barnwood is one of my top tiers. Excuse me, I burped. Vitamin Unwind was from the All Is Well collection like a year ago. And it smells like spa water, like the girliest, relaxing spa water. And then we have Cocoa Lime. It is such a powerhouse. I have to keep it in my club. Because when I want something that's going to clear out, like if we cook bacon, and I want something that's going to clear that scent out, this is what you get. Cocoa Lime is stunning. Love it. Okay, I think this is the last bar for me. Sparkling Yellow. It's pineapple, lemonade, and like something else, but it is the best yellow scent ever. You've got to try Sparkling Yellow if you can ever get your hands on it. So good. And then this one is for Ryan. I opened up my club. I think some of you might have seen it on here, but I was like, I'm ordering a big order of stuff, so let me know if I can get you anything. And then one of my best customers and friends, Ryan, wanted the brick and sugar cookie. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-slice it with my vegetable cutter. This is my vegetable cutter I use for wax. I'm going to clean it off first. But see, these cubes get pretty large. This is equal to half of a Scentsy bar. So 4 of these cubes is equal to a brick cube. So I'm going to slice it into like quarters so it's easier for him to use. If he just wants to use like one little sliver, he can. But I think I'm going to do that after I open the whisk box. Ooh, it smells so good. I don't think I've ever actually warmed sugar cookie. I've warmed like vanilla bean buttercream, but I think I'm going to have to get some sugar cookie for myself too. Okay, the whisk box for November is stunning. It has so much value in it. This is only $35. It's worth $55, but I paid $17.50. I got this for half price because I ordered it through Scentsy Club. Okay, let's see. This is what it looks like inside. Little air pocket. I love popping those little things. Okay, so first up in here we've got the information sheet about Deck the Halls with Fragrance, and it's got the little baby tucks on there for the penguin warmer. This is an exclusive warmer. It's the penguin warmer, and I think I'm going to take it and put it in Mom and Dad's bathroom, because right now she's got one on her side of the sink that is like from Valentine's Day. So it comes with an extra rubber gasket you can use to help position the ceramic part correctly. This is the light bulb. And here's the base that plugs into the wall. This is so cute. It's so cute. Look at this. Okay, let's open this up. Put some of the packaging back in. Pro tip, keep your warmer boxes so you can move with them if you ever have to move. Look at it. It's so cute. It's got a little hat, and then that is a pretty deep dish. I think this could hold for sure 2 cubes, possibly 3, but 2 cubes to be on the safe side. It's a really good dish. And then there are holes in the back, so the light will come out and glow on the wall a little bit, but it's not going to be super bright, like something like my other warmers that you saw. Yeah, so let's see. You have the little teeth here, right? See the little teeth right here? So you line it up with this. And then I don't think I'm gonna need this extra one. Sometimes this extra gasket you use for the glass warmers, but this is ceramic. And then I forgot the freaking light bulb. Wow. It's not gonna work with this light bulb. And then the bubble wrap, these things come in as like the best bubble wrap. Okay, 15-watt light bulb. And then there he is. Little baby Tux warmer. It's so cute. I'll take a picture of it when I go play it into their bathroom and share it with y'all. So that's part of the whiff box. And then there's also the Christmas Cottage cider scent circle, and it's shaped like a little cottage, little house. I think I'm going to put this in my car today. So I'm not even opening that. I'm going straight into my car. And then we've got the Tinselberry hand cream. I already have so many hand creams open right now. I might not open this right away, but Tinselberry smells delicious. It's strawberry, cranberry, cinnamon, and sweet sugar. So I think I need to go through my other hand creams before I open this one. And then we've got 3 wax bars. Let's see. Okay, first wax bar. Hang on. So 3 wax bars in the whiff box. Meet at the Mistletoe. I haven't smelled this one yet. Ooh. Okay, so if you saw my video a couple days ago, I was putting under the mistletoe oil in my diffuser, and I think warming a cube of this in my warmer and diffusing that at the same time would be legendary. It would be like a knockout of the park. So super Christmassy, but not so. It's got something else in it, and I don't know what makes it like. It's kind of fresh. It's almost like Christmas laundry. I'm into it. Meet at the Mistletoe. Sleigh Ride. I've smelled this before. It's in the holiday 5-bar bundle. It's good. It's a solid Christmas tree scent. Like uncomplicated, straight Christmas tree. And then lastly, caramel praline cake. I'm a bakery lover, and so I'm excited. There's a piece of like paper stuck in it. Ooh, that's good. Caramel praline cake. It's like so buttery smelling. It smells like a cake batter. And the pecans are coming through. Not super nutty, but like definitely sweet and syrupy and cake-like. So that's what came in the whip box. It's 3 wax bars, hand cream, scent circle, and the warmer, the mini warmer. So I'm gonna put all my wax bars here. Then I clean up my mess really quickly, and I'm going to show you guys how I cut down the bricks so they're easier to use. Okay, let's see. I can angle you down. Okay, this is going to have to move. Okay, there we go. So, if you want to buy a brick from me, just let me know. I can do this for you too, if it makes it easier. I just have an alcohol wipe I'm just going to use to clean this, because I use this for my wax, and if I don't want any of the other scents on his brick. So this is just like a vegetable cutter. You can get a small one, but I like the handle on this one. It's like easier to use. And so you see how large it is. Flip it over. And then I think I'm going to work in sections. So it kind of like cracked right there, but it's totally fine. Now I think I'm going to break it again. Okay. So I'm just like pre-breaking it, and then let's see, does this dry? Okay. So then you just cut it into fourths, or you can do slices, whatever you prefer. So like this one, so this is equal to 4 cubes, and I like to make it into fourths so that it's easier to use as if it were a wax bar. Perfect. It kind of broke a little, but it's fine. So I might not do them all. I may just do a couple. Yeah, it's a little too cold to cut. But yeah, that's that. I'm going to finagle it back into its little container, and then get it packaged up and put the shipping label on it and get it in the mail. So I think this is it. I wanted to show you guys. I hope it was fun seeing what I get. I'm a wax addict. That's why I sell it. If you need any ideas or any recommendations, let me know. Happy Thanksgiving. If I don't get on here again until after Thanksgiving, I think I'm going to try to take a break from posting and all that other good stuff. So yeah, enjoy your Thanksgiving. Be present with your family, but take pictures with your people that you love. Take lots of pictures. Okay, bye guys.